How to record on Xbox Series S. Press the Xbox home button on your controller. Scroll over to the right of this menu until you get to Capture and Share. You have a few options here: record what happened, start recording, and capture screenshot, which will be a picture. Record what happened will be a short burst recording. Start recording is your longer recording option, but you're going to understand this a lot more when I take you through the capture settings. In this menu, scroll down to the bottom to capture settings so you can set the duration, resolution and more of your video recording on your Xbox. In this menu you have a few options. You have allow game captures. I like to leave this option on captures by me or games, but you have two other options: captures by me and don't capture. I leave this on captures by me or games. You then have record what happened. Record what happened is that short burst of a recording which I mentioned earlier. If I select this, you have a few options available: 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, and 1 minute. I'm going to select 1 minute, so that when I select the record what happens recording feature, it will record for 1 minute. Automatically upload means that if you select the captures by me or games and you're recording captures by me or games, it will be automatically uploaded to the Xbox network. This is so you can access your video recording using the Xbox app when you're logged in to your Xbox profile. I'm going to leave this on don't upload because I use an additional option for uploading my video content when recording on my Xbox. For example, Dropbox, so I can send the file via Dropbox. So I'm going to select don't upload. But if you want to use the Xbox app to access your video recording, then you want to select the option that is right for you. At this point, you can set the game clip and resolution. If I select this, you have two options: 1080p SDR, 1 minute maximum. So if I select this option, I will only be able to record for 1 minute when using the longer recording option. Then you have 720p, 3 minutes maximum. So when I'm using the longer recording option, in 720p, I will be able to record for 3 minutes. I'm going to leave this on 1080p SDR. You then have your capture location. This is where your captures will be saved, even before uploading automatically to the Xbox network if you're using the automatic upload. If I select this, you can see that I only currently have the internal storage. You can set your capture location if you have an external storage device. It needs to be the correct storage device for you to use it for recording your Xbox game footage. So do keep note that you cannot just plug in any memory stick or storage device into your Xbox for recording. It must be the correct format. This format is USB 3.0 or faster and formatted as a NTFS. From here, I'm going to take you into the button mapping options. This will be how you can automatically start recording by pressing that share button on your Xbox controller. I'm going to select this now. It's going to take us into the button mapping options, and we have that all-important share button. The share button is at the top there, and you can see where it's highlighted on the Xbox controller. If I select this, I have a few different ways that I can press this button. You can press the button once, or you can hold the button, or double tap the button. And then you have press A button or press B button. So after you've pressed the share button, you can also press A button or B button. This will be doing different functions depending on what you change it to. If I go to share button press, which is one press of that share button, I can change what this does. For example, right now it's set to take screenshot, but I can change this to give it a different function. I can change this to record what happened. That is that short burst recording which I've spoken about just a moment ago. And then you have start and stop recording. That's that long version of recording that I also mentioned. So you can set and map your share button to what you like. Right now I'm going to set this to record what happened so that I have that quick burst of recording ready for me when I press that button. Now I'm ready to record my Xbox session. And inside of a game, if I press that share button, I will be able to use that short burst of recording as I've now set this up. If you've enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe right here to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel for more. This is how you can record on your Xbox Series S. There are more Xbox tutorials that you can find right here on the channel. Not only that, I help you in other topics as well, as I have a variety channel here on YouTube and I upload a variety of content to help you. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are awesome. Check out that content that you see on screen right now. Thank you.